everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be really exciting because it's a competition. And why I decided to do the competition is because my channel has reached a plateau for some reason. So I released my first video on the 25th of October. And from the 25th of October to the 25th of November, I got 85 subscribers. And I thought, well, that's very cool. I would be very happy with 80, 90 or 100 subscribers a month. I mean, that's wonderful. But the thing is, from the 25th of November to today, which I think is the 17th of December, I don't know what the date is, I've only got another 6 subscribers. So things have really slowed down on my channel, and I don't know why. I mean, I'm putting out videos every week, so I don't understand why. But anyway, pardon me, I thought I could run a competition on my channel with the hopes to grow the channel. So I currently today have 91 subscribers, okay? And the competition is as follows. The first subscriber that I currently have, so that's the 91 of you that have subscribed, the first one of you that can get, let's start off with 5 people to subscribe to my channel, you will win. Okay, and what you will win, my favorite painting of all time. I have decided that there's no better prize than this beautiful painting that we created. But it makes me sad to say goodbye to it, but with the hopes of growing the channel, I think it'll be good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link on this video to the creation of this beautiful painting, okay? I want you to share that video with whoever you believe will subscribe. You tell them they have to watch the video from start to finish. At the end of the video, they need to like the video, they need to subscribe to my channel, and in the comments under that video, they need to put in the comments, I am a new subscriber and I was referred to your channel by your YouTube name. And I will then keep note of all the messages that I get, and they say, whoever referred me to your channel, I will mark off, and the first one to get 5 people to subscribe to my channel using your name as a reference, you will win this painting and I will post it off to you. And I think that that would be a good starting off point to grow my channel a little bit, because YouTube works in mysterious ways, really. But you can release a video every week, you can release 10 videos a week, but if people aren't watching them, if people aren't commenting on your videos, if people aren't sharing your videos to their contact lists, and if people aren't subscribing to your channel, YouTube just stops pushing your video out. That's it. Because your video isn't doing well, so YouTube isn't going to waste any time on that video for you. So I need for YouTube to see that there are people watching my videos, subscribing to my channels, commenting on my videos, so that YouTube will push my video further. So after I run this competition and hopefully gain, hopefully a good couple new subscribers, I will probably be running a competition like this again later on in a month or two, say 2 months time. I could run this same competition again and grow some more, and again and again. And I mean, I'll have enough paintings to give away if I'm creating new paintings, 2-3 paintings a week. I think it would be nice to share my paintings with you anyway. So excuse my voice, I'm sorry. I have asthma, and the asthma medication that I'm on takes my voice away, so I have a croaky voice because of the medication I'm on. But anyway, so that is what we are going to do, ladies and gentlemen. Take part in this competition. I'm dying to see who's gonna win the competition, who's going to be the new proud owner of this beautiful painting. And I would love to see my channel grow. So win-win for everybody, really. So please, like I said, I will leave a link to this video here. You click on that link, you share that link, you tell the people, watch the video from start to finish, give the video a thumbs up, and then in the comment, and then subscribe obviously, and then in the comment say, new subscriber, refer to your channel by, and your YouTube name. And that'll be the competition. So let's do this. Let's grow my channel. Let my beautiful painting go off to a new home. And if I can grow my channel and one day hopefully get monetized with YouTube, it'll help me to create more videos and to create better videos. And I could upgrade my camera, or I can get a proper microphone and I can shoot better videos, but it all costs money, which I'm not prepared to spend when I'm not earning anything off YouTube. And doing these paintings costs money. The paint is expensive, the canvases are expensive, and if I'm going to be doing 2-3 videos or 2-3 paintings a week, it costs money, So it would really help everybody for me to become monetized on YouTube. And the only way to do that is to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on my videos, and I'm a long way off. But hopefully this competition will get me just that little bit closer. So that's it. That is the competition. Good luck to everybody, and I will announce the winner on the next video. Or, well, not the next video, but as soon as I have a winner, I will announce the winner on that video. So, thank you everybody. See you.